Hello everyone, in this video we're going to dive into the world of WH questions or information questions. These are special questions we use to ask about different aspects of things, places, people, time, reasons, choices, and ownership. They also help us more about the world around us and communicate better with others. Let's explore these questions together and learn how to use them in our conversations. WH questions or information questions. So the first one is what. We use what to ask about things or features. For example, when we ask, what is your favorite color? We are asking about a specific feature or characteristic, like the color someone prefers. So, in simple present tense with to-be verbs, what is used to ask about the identity or characteristic of something or someone. For example, what is your favorite color? The answer can be, my favorite color is blue. The second WH question is where. We use where to ask about places or locations. Easy as that. For example, where is the library? The answer can be, the library is on Main Street. Number 3, who. We use who to ask about people or identities. For example, who is your teacher? The answer can be, my teacher is Amin. And the fourth one is when. We use when to ask about time or schedules. For example, when is your birthday? The answer can be, my birthday is in March. Number 5, why. We use why to ask about reasons or causes. For example, why are you happy? And then you say, I'm happy because it's sunny today. The next on the list is how. We use how to ask about manner, condition, or quality. For example, how is the weather? Then you say, the weather is beautiful. Next one on the list is which. We use which to ask about choices or preferences. For example, which color is your favorite? And then you might probably answer, my favorite color is green. And whose. We use whose to ask about possession or ownership. For example, whose book is this? Then you say, this book is mine. By using these questions and answers, we can ask for and provide specific information about different subjects, making conversations clearer and more effective. And there you have it. By understanding and using these WH questions, we can have more meaningful conversations and gather specific information about various subjects. So whether you're asking about someone's favorite color, the location of the library, or the reason of their happiness, remember to use these questions to make your conversations clearer and more effective. Keep practicing and soon you'll become a pro at asking and answering WH questions.